Hey guys, welcome to my channel Joe's Diet Talk. This video is all about how to lose weight post pregnancy. Pregnancy weight gain is quite common, but the real challenge you will face losing weight post pregnancy and reduce those extra pounds you gained before. Make sure that you are losing weight in a healthy way without causing any damage to your health. If you are choosing a crash diet, then it is a really bad idea and it can harm your baby's breastfeeding, and it can also lead to many health complications. So it is the best way to lose weight in a safe and natural way. How to lose weight after pregnancy? Here are the few useful tips which will help you in losing weight. Number 1. Eat at home. You can have outside foods once in a while or occasionally, but try to eat at house as much as you can. Outside foods can tempt you, but always remember your target is to lose weight in a healthy way. Keep your eating out habit not more than once in a week. Eating home is a easy and a best way to lose weight after delivery. This is one of the best post-pregnancy weight loss. Number 2. Eat regular meals at regular intervals. You probably feel cutting down on your eating will help you to lose weight faster, but unfortunately it leads to an opposite results. 3 big meals a day is not a good idea. Instead, eat 6 meals a day at regular intervals. This is the best post-pregnancy diet. You can cut the portion size to small so that you will not feel heavy. Number 3. Go for foods that are low in calories. Being a mother, you need lot of nutrition to come back to its healthiest self and also to produce enough amount of milk for your baby. Instead of choosing heavy high-calorie foods, go for superfoods. Opt for foods which are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, calcium, proteins and fiber. You can choose foods such as salmon, sardines, tuna, lean meat, chicken, eggs, beans, legumes, yogurt and whole grain foods. So cut down all the foods which are high in calories. Number 4. Stay hydrated. Drink at least 8 to 10 glasses of water a day. It will flush out all the toxins from your body. Drinking water and fluids will also help you to prevent dehydration and improve your metabolism. Introduce various types of liquids in your diet like milkshakes, smoothies, fresh juices, soups, stews, etc. Number 5. Start exercising. Take doctor's advice and start exercising. Start with easy and basic exercises so that you don't feel too tired and it will not hurt you in this process. Simple exercises like aerobics, yoga, walking, jogging, swimming, etc. can be chosen. Number 6. Sleep. Get 8 hours of sleep, but you should try and avoid being sleep deprived. Not getting enough sleep can adversely affect your metabolism and slow down your weight loss process. Number 7. Control your snacking. Every breastfeeding mom will be hungrier than earlier. So many women choose snacks and much when they are hungry. What you eat as your snacks can help you gain or lose weight. Include both healthy and delicious food items in your snack menu, such as nuts, chopped fruits, whole grains, roasted sweet potatoes, yogurt mixes as such. Number 8. Reduce your stress levels. Stress can adversely affect your weight loss, so try to reduce it. Do whatever relaxes you so that you are less stressed out. Exercise at least for 1 hour. It will help you to release endorphins to make you feel better. You can also follow slow breathing techniques. Number 9. Dance. Dancing is fun. You can also burn calories too. Put on some music, anything that you and your baby can enjoy and dance on it. Number 10. Drink water before you have your meals. You may feel bloated if you eat more than your body needed. Drinking water before your meal can be the answer. Slowly sip on 1 full glass of water before you start eating your meal. It will fill up your stomach and you will eat only as much as you want to. And instead of eating more than it is required, and sometimes you may also feel overstuffed. Number 11. Cut out where you can. Start cutting out the fattening and unhealthy items from your food by making some small, smart, and effective choices. Number 12. Eat early. Try and bring up your dinner time to late evening instead of night. Have dinner between 7 and 7:30 pm so that you are done before 8 pm. It will boost your metabolism and let you reduce your weight. If you sleep late night, you can have a cup of milk or a cup of green tea. Number 14. Avoid caffeine and alcohol. Sometimes you may feel to have a cup of coffee and relax, but it can stop you from losing weight. So try to avoid caffeine and stay away from alcohol. They just give you an empty calorie without any nutrients. If you feel tired and need something to drink, have a steamed cup of green tea with grated ginger. Number 14. Stay motivated. If you have a pretty dress from the time you were lean, keep it in front of your wardrobe where you will able to see it regularly. Stay motivated and work harder towards your goal, and it will help you in a rapid weight loss after pregnancy. I hope all these tips will help you in losing weight post pregnancy. Do comment your inputs. Thank you for watching my channel.